Cockatiels aren't good at copying the whole horse like other parrots, but it does follow the whistle. Except for males singing courtship songs, they are quiet to raise indoors. The iconic crest atop a cockatiel's head serves as an emotional barometer. When excited or startled, their crest stands tall. When relaxed, it lies flat. Cockatiels generally have a lifespan of 15 to 20 years, but with proper care, they can live for over 30 years. As they remain our companions for an extended period, thoughtful adoption is crucial. When raising cockatiels indoors, if it is not bathed daily, it constantly produces powder. Good management is essential, especially if you have asthma or respiratory issues, and powder is not good for birds too.